How to fix Instagram not everyone can message this account problem. So if you're facing a problem, if it says that not everyone can message this account, then what you can do is simply go for your Instagram, open up your Instagram application, and then go for your profile, which is on the bottom right. Go for the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and then scroll down, and here you will have account privacy, right? So if you have a private account, then turn off the private account option. Tap on switch to public, and once you switch your account to your public account, then everyone can message to your account. So if you have a private account, then many of them can't have an option to message you. Once you've done that, now go back and you can scroll down, and here you will have messages and story replies, and under that you can go for message controls, and here you have your followers on Instagram option. Tap on that, and then if you have don't receive request, then tap on message request and turn that on, and then go for other people, and here if you have don't receive request, then go for message request. And once you've made them available, now everyone can message this account. So that's how you can fix Instagram not everyone can message this account problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.